Hi, I'm Christina Robinson, and welcome to another edition of CMS Forex News. Today is Tuesday, November 20th, 2007. The dollar fell to a record low against the euro and Swiss franc on concerned credit market losses will slow economic growth, prompting the Federal Reserve to lower interest rates again this year. Today, Freddie Mac, the second biggest buyer of U.S. mortgages, posted its largest ever quarterly loss. The euro had a strong session versus the dollar, gaining 175 pips and setting a new record high. The last two sessions have been calm in comparison. The euro's boost was fueled by speculation that several Middle Eastern countries were mulling whether to stop pegging their currencies to the dollar. Taking in the last 2 weeks, we see the old record highs set about 2 weeks ago, after Chinese officials stated that they would try and diversify their portfolio of reserves away from the U.S. dollar. The rise of the euro is cementing its place as an alternative reserve currency to the dollar, and the dollar hit a record low versus the Swiss franc. In fundamental news, Germany saw its producer price increase in October to a pace of 0.4%. In Switzerland, trade balance data showed a smaller surplus for October, but the figures were above expectations. In Canada, consumer prices dropped 0.3% over the month, and annual core inflation fell below 2% for the first time since June 2006. The price declines were led by costs of gasoline and passenger vehicles. Imported goods are becoming cheaper with a stronger currency, which also adds to lower prices. Core annual inflation advanced 1.8%. In the U.S., construction of new homes unexpectedly climbed in October. Even though construction of single-family homes fell to a 16-year low, starts on condominiums picked up the slack. Potential buyers are waiting for prices to fall further, and it is becoming harder to procure lending for mortgages. Building permits, an indicator of future construction, fell 6.6% to a $1.18 million pace, the lowest since 1993. The positive housing starts data needs to be taken with a grain of salt, as the U.S. housing market is not close to hitting bottom yet. Tonight, we shall see data on Japanese trade balance and the All-Industrial Activity Index. Overnight, we get the Bank of England meeting minutes. Tomorrow in North America, Canada reveals retail sales while the U.S. releases weekly jobless claims and the U of N consumer sentiment measure. And that's it for today's news. Join us again tomorrow at cmsfx.com.